Next is law reducible to linear law. So the law y is equal to x plus b, it is equation of linear line which is connect to two variable x and y, means it is empirical law, you can say, because equation involving two variable which is relation between two variable is y is equal to x plus b, so we can say it is empirical law of certain data, a linear law. But some laws like y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c and y is equal to a e raised to bx, also y is equal to ax raised to b, etc., are non-linear. How we can say equation is linear or non-linear? Depending on power of x. Power of x is 1, then it is linear equation. Or you can check f of alpha x plus beta y is equal to alpha f of x plus beta f of y. જો તમે આ બતાવી શકો કોઈ પણ ફંક્શન માટે તો એ ફંક્શન લિનિયર થઈ જાય. આ ફંક્શન કયું હોય એક્સ પ્લસ બી, તો એના માટે આ સાચું છે એટલા માટે લિનિયર થાય. અથવા બધા એક્સના પાવર 1 હોય તો પણ એને લિનિયર કહી શકો. બટ in this whole equation power of x is not 1, so it is non-linear. So this non-linear law can be reduced to linear form by substitution by suitable process and substitution as under. The first one is, if curve is of the type y is equal to ax raised to n when a and n are constants, the law y is equal to ax raised to n can be reduced to linear form by taking logarithm on the both this side. આપણે પ્રોસેસ શું કરવાની છે? given equation is y is equal to ax raised to n, અને આપણે લિનિયર લોમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવાનું છે લિનિયર ફંક્શનમાં. એટલે y is equal to એક્સના જેટલા આવે એના પાવર 1 હોવા જોઈએ તો જ લિનિયરમાં કન્વર્ટ થાય. તો અહીંયા n પાવર એ ઘાત ઉપરથી પાવર નીચે પાડવો હોય તો શું લેવું પડે? લોગેરિધમ. કેમ કે લોગની શું પ્રોપર્ટી છે? log x રેસ ટુ n ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ n log x. તો અહીંયા લોગ મળે એનો પાવર શું થઈ જાય? 1 થઈ જાય. અને કેપિટલ એક્સ કહી દો તો કેપિટલ એક્સનો પાવર 1 થઈ ગયો. તો એ રીતે લેટ અસ સી. સો લેટ y ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ ax રેસ ટુ n, y is equal to ax raised to n, taking logarithmic with base 10, we get left hand side is log base 10y is equal to right hand side log a into b is log a plus log b. Here is a is a, so log a plus power is down, so log x raised to n is equal to n log x. Log 10 base y, call it capital Y. Log a, call it capital A. And log 10 base x, call it capital X. We get capital Y is equal to capital A plus n into x. તો લિનિયર ઇક્વેશન થઈ ગયું કેમ કે કેપિટલ એક્સનો પાવર શું છે? 1. એ રીતે લિનિયર ઇક્વેશન થઈ ગયું. તો હિયર ઇક્વેશન 1 ઇઝ લિનિયર ઇન કેપિટલ એક્સ એન્ડ કેપિટલ વાય. એટલે એક્સ કેપિટલ એક્સ અને કેપિટલ વાયના ફોર્મમાં એ લિનિયર છે. એન્ડ કોન્સ્ટન્ટ કેપિટલ એ એન્ડ એન ટુ બી ડિટરમાઇન્ડ. એટલે એ આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરો તો આપણે લિનિયર ઇક્વેશન મળી જાય. નેક્સ્ટ ઇઝ law of the type y is equal to a e raised to bx where a and b are constants. Also taking both this side logarithmic, we get log 10 base y is equal to log 10 base a plus, here is power is b into x, so b into x into log e. Here b log is, here is some different, x as it is because power of x is 1. so you can write as linear, but constant b log 10 base e, call it capital B, and similarly log 10 base a is equal to capital A, y is equal to log 10 base y. So you get capital Y is equal to capital A plus capital B into x. It is linear in small x and capital Y, and capital A and capital B are constants. Third one is law of the type y is equal to ab raised to x. Similarly, taking both the side logarithm with base 10, you get log 10 base y is equal to log a into b raised to x is log a plus log b raised to x, but log b raised to x is equal to x log b. So you get this one. Here also power of x is 1, so x is as it is, and similarly capital Y is equal to log 10 base y, capital A is equal to log 10 base a, and capital B is equal to log 10 base b. Here is equation 3 is linear in small x and capital Y. Fourth one is law of the type xy is equal to ax plus by, where a and b are constants. અહીંયા થોડુંક જુદું પડે છે. Here is some different. Divide both the side by x, so you get divide both the side by x. In this equation you get left hand side is y, right hand side is x cancel, here x is cancelled, plus b into y by x. Here y by x say is capital X, so you get y is equal to a plus b into x. But equation 4 is linear in capital X and small y, and a and b are constants. Now fifth one is law of the type y is equal to a into x raised to n plus b, where a, b and n are constants. You can directly write x raised to n is equal to capital X, so you get linear equation in capital X and y. In the first law you can directly write x raised to n as x, so you get y is equal to a into x. It is linear, so this equation reduces. આવી રીતે પણ કરી શકો અને log line પણ કરી શકો. તો બે મેથડ થઈ. તો આ હતી જુદા જુદા ઇક્વેશનને લિનિયર લોમાં કઈ રીતે કન્વર્ટ કરી શકો એ મેથડ.